Cruises are all about fun, relaxation and adventure. But did you know there are some new rules for 2025? Now these new rules may affect what you can eat, what you can pack, to how you enjoy the pool. So these updates could possibly impact your next trip. Whether you're a first-time cruiser or a seasoned sailor, here are 11 cruise rules that you'll want to know. So let's get started. Number 1. No more water bottle cases. Thinking of bringing a big case of water on board? Well, not so fast. Cruise lines now ask you to use refillable water bottles instead. This prevents sneaky attempts to bring alcohol on board in the water, and let's be honest, it is better for the environment. But don't panic, cruise ship water is clean, safe and of course free. Some lines even let you bring canned soft drinks on board as a compromise. Number 2. Unopened drinks must be opened. On Royal Caribbean, for example, if you buy a drink to take back to your cabin, you'll need to open it first. Now this rule is meant to prevent people from sharing or sneaking drinks to underage passengers. Although I'm not too sure how this would in fact stop that. Some cruisers, however, do find this fair, while others think it's a real hassle. Number 3. No smoking on balconies. There's nothing too new about this one, but it's good to be reminded. After the Star Princess fire in 2006, cruise lines banned smoking on most balconies to keep everybody safe. Today, there are way more safety fire measures in place, and if you are a smoker, there are still a number of designated smoking areas on board, so safety first. Number 4. Banned items. Not all gadgets are welcomed on board a cruise ship. Bluetooth speakers, Wi-Fi routers, and some extension cables are now banned. Why, I hear you ask? Well, the speakers were too loud, disturbing the other passengers, routers interfered with the ship system, and certain power strips caused issues during security checks. However, USB-only outlets are still fine, so you may need to double-check the rules before you pack to avoid any unwanted surprises. Number 5. Sniffer dogs at check-in. Security is getting tighter these days, with sniffer dogs patrolling embarkation areas and luggage checks. They're trained to sniff out banned substances, even those ones legal in your home country. We've personally been on a cruise where we were getting off the ship for a tour, and the sniffer dog literally pushed the passenger in front of us out of the line, who was then marched back on board, probably to answer a few questions. So these extra precautions are all about keeping the ship safe for everyone. Now, if you find this video helpful, please would you consider subscribing to the channel? It's free and would really help us out. Thank you. Number 6. Limits on food. So if you love ordering extra appetizers or main courses in the dining room, some cruise lines are now setting limits. While there are still plenty of dining options on board, passengers who want more than one appetizer or main course in the main dining room might now face a small cover charge. So is this fair, or does it take away from the all-inclusive experience? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Number 7. Transparent pricing. Here's a rule many cruisers love. Many cruise lines now show the full cost up front, including port fees and taxes. No more surprise charges at the checkout, it's all laid out from the start. Number 8. Scooter size restrictions. If you use a mobility scooter, make sure it fits in a standard cabin. Oversized scooters might require you to book an accessible room, or worse, you could even be denied boarding. So always check your scooter's size and the cruise line's rules before you sail. Number 9. No more saving deck chairs. Now I'm sure this is going to upset a few people, but do you leave your towel on a pool chair to reserve it? If you do, those days are coming to an end. Crew members now enforce a time limit of 30 to 40 minutes for unattended belongings. So if you want that perfect spot, you'll need to stick around. Number 10. No drinks in pools. Thinking of sipping a drink while chilling in the pool or hot tub? Not anymore. Most cruise lines now ban drinks in pools, even if they're in a plastic cup. They say it's all about hygiene and avoiding messy spills, so you'll need to enjoy your drink by the pool instead. So does this now mean it's the end of the swim-up bar? Just let me know below. Number 11. No sharing drink packages. Here's one that has many cruisers talking. Although I have to say 3 of the cruises we went on last year in 2024 already enforced this. And that is, if one person in your cabin buys a drinks package, then everyone else has to as well. This rule is to prevent sharing, but it isn't very popular. So what do you think? Is this fair game or too strict? And that's it. 11 new or newish cruise rules that could change your next trip. Some say it makes cruising safer and more enjoyable, while others might feel it's a bit too strict. Which ones do you agree with or not? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe or comment on your way out. So until next time, thanks for watching and happy cruising.